Sawblade.com is unique insofar that we manufacture and we sell direct, so we can control the customer experience and the cost is lower to the end user. But more importantly, the quality is high because we take responsibility. If you buy something at a big box store, you bring it back, you say, oh, this doesn't work. Well, we got to contact the manufacturer. Okay. Well, then, oh, we got to see if we can take this back. We don't have any of that here. We make it, we sell it, we warranty it, we stand behind it.
Once you place the order, I'm seeing it almost as soon as you click purchase or buy. So it's really fast.
We're a paperless company, and that's one of the things that helps expedite the orders. It goes back to a computer screen in the shop, and it gets loaded up into a queue.
The blades are pretty much cut within a few minutes. They get welded, they get ground, they're inspected, capped, packed, and ready to ship, usually within the same day. 95% of our orders go out the same day. The other 5% usually come in after 4, and they're made first thing in the morning.
We have bandsaw blades, circular blades, but we also sell parts for most major bandsaws in the market. Right now, when you go to the website to buy the parts are about 7 to 10% less than the manufacturer's part. That's an escalating discount. And there's programs in place where when you buy more saw blades in a calendar year, your discount can go up to almost 30% off of replacement parts. We stock millions of dollars of replacement parts. And that's usually a big deal for end users.
I'm excited about the growth this company's been experiencing and where it was and where it is today. When I started here, we were excited to have a couple hundred blades a day, and now that we're at the level of a couple thousand blades a day, we see a lot of potential to put ourselves out there and do more for our customers.
What keeps me passionate about this place is we're trying to change industrial distribution. That's the end goal. We want people to go to a buy direct method. And buying direct makes the most sense. We can control the quality, and on top of that, by buying direct, the customer saves 25%. And that was something that when we put the business strategy together, low price was not something that we said, oh, we can hit it at the market at a low price. It just happened. And the more we become efficient by fewer returns or better boxing or quicker shipment, the more the customer benefits. What drives us is creating a product, putting it out there, somebody purchasing the product and happy. It's an affirmation of what we've done. It's saying that your idea was good. It's the feeling of accomplishment, and that's what drives us.